Management is temporary. If I quiet my class down and say, everybody be quiet, I got a secret, I got to tell you all. And then they're all quiet and they're like, what is she saying, what is she saying? Okay, that might be temporary, but then the intervention is, it's time to build community. And then they're all like, which means you're going to put your pen down for just a second. I want you to turn around, shake the hand of the person next to you. They shake the hand of the person. Okay, shake the person. How you do? How do 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 you do? Let's sit down for a second. Everybody look up, take a breath, let it out. Okay, now, number 1 was talking about the character yesterday in the story. Remember that character in the story? And then people are like, oh yeah, that was John. And that's where I'm going, to try to get them all back on track. All right? So I always might do a temporary kind of fix in there, but the intervention is always slid in. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.